Okay, very warm good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, today I would like to play with you a rapid round. In this competition, I'm going to invite two girls on the stage and two boys on the stage. And I will do rapid round to each. And the girl side and the boys sides. I'm not going to decide who is going to win. You have to decide who is better. Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? So, boys side, who would like to come? Two boys come here. Yeah, come. Clapping for him. Another boy. Who would like to come? Any other? Any other boy? Come. Okay, clapping for him. Okay, and the girl side, who is ready? Clapping for her. Okay, so that this side is boy side and this side is girl side. Okay, so are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Proper comfortable? Okay, Peter, you can come here. Okay. Okay. No, that's okay, fine. Okay. Done it?
Done.
Okay. Okay, that you can come here. That okay, that's up now, fine all. Okay, that okay, fine. Okay, fine. So firstly, I would like to ask the name. What's your good name?
Sunny Gautam.
What's your good name?
Myself, Nitin Agarwal.
Yes, what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Akanshi.
And what's your good name, ma'am?
My name is Bandana.
So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Excited?
Yes, sir.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
जोर से बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see who is going to win. Okay, so first I would like to do practice with Mr. What's your good name?
Nitin Agarwal.
Nitin Agarwal. And rule is that I speak in Hindi and you have to translate. Okay, in English. Okay. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Can you give?
Yes, sir.
Hard competition.
बिल्कुल.
Okay. Damn sure. Okay. So start. Okay. क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं?
Do you speak Hindi?
क्यों बोलते हैं?
Why do you speak Hindi?
मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलता.
I don't speak Hindi.
मेरा भाई बोलता
My
है.
brother does speak Hindi.
My brother speaks हिंदी.
My brother speaks Hindi.
इसलिए
That's why.
चिल्लाइए मत.
Don't shout.
क्यों चिल्लाते हैं?
Why do you shouting?
Why do you shout?
Why do you shout?
क्या आप आ रहे हैं?
Are you coming?
कैसे आ रहे हैं?
How are you coming?
How are you coming?
How are you coming?
आपको आना चाहिए.
You should come.
मैं लेट हूँ.
I'm late. Getting late.
I'm late.
I'm late.
क्या आप लेट हैं?
Are you late?
क्यों लेट हैं?
Why are you late?
क्या चाह रहे हैं?
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want?
लाउडली.
What do you want?
मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to speak Hindi.
क्या?
Oh, English.
I want to speak English.
I want to speak English.
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं?
Do you want to speak English?
Again.
Do you want to speak English?
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
I'm coming.
मैं कंफर्टेबल
I'm
हूँ.
comfortable.
क्या आप कंफर्टेबल
Are
हैं?
you comfortable?
क्यों हैं?
Why are you comfortable?
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं?
Do you speak English?
मेरा भाई इंग्लिश
My
बोलता
brother
है.
does speak English.
लेकिन
But
मैं क्रिकेट खेलता
I
हूँ.
play cricket.
क्या आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं?
Do you play cricket?
मैं क्रिकेट खेला करता था.
I used to play cricket.
क्या आप क्रिकेट खेला करते थे?
You used to play cricket.
Did you used to play cricket?
Did you used to play cricket?
अगेन बोलिए.
Did you used to play cricket?
ये मेरी मजबूरी है.
It's my compulsion.
आपकी मजबूरी क्या है?
What's your compulsion?
आपको कौन सा कलर पसंद है?
Which color would you like?
Which color do you like?
Which color do you like?
Again,
Which color do you like?
मैं ब्लैक कलर पसंद
I
करता हूँ.
like black color.
क्यों करते हैं?
Why do you like black color?
मैं पसंद करता हूँ.
I like.
I like.
I like.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं पसंद करता हूँ.
I like it.
I like it.
I like it.
I just like it.
I just like it.
क्या आप जा रहे हैं?
Are you going?
क्यों जा रहे हैं?
Why do you going?
मेरे पापा आ चुके
My
हैं.
father has come.
आपके पिताजी कहाँ से आए हैं?
Where has your father come?
Come from.
Come from.
लाउडली.
Where has your father come from?
मेरे पिताजी मार्केट से आए हैं.
My father come from market.
My father has come from.
My father has come from market.
इसलिए
That's why.
चिल्लाइए मत.
Don't shout.
उन्हें सोने दीजिए.
Let sleep her
Let him
sleep.
लाउडली.
Let him sleep.
क्या आपके पिताजी सो रहे हैं?
Does your father sleep?
Does your father?
Sleep.
नहीं. Is your father
Is your
sleeping?
father sleeping?
Again.
Is your father sleeping?
मैं बोल सकता हूँ,
I can speak,
लेकिन
but
ये मेरी बस की बात नहीं है.
it's not my cup of tea.
It's not my cup of tea.
It's not my cup of tea.
Again.
It's not my cup of tea.
Again.
It's not my cup of tea.
क्या आप जा रहे हैं?
Are you going?
क्यों जा रहे
Why
हैं?
are you going?
Loudly.
Why are you going?
आप हमेशा मेरी इंसल्ट करते
You
हैं,
always insult me.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे जाना चाहिए.
I should go.
अगेन.
I should go.
आपको बोलना चाहिए
You
था.
should have you should had speak
You should have spoken.
spoken.
अगेन.
You should have spoken.
लेकिन
But
मैंने आपके पिताजी को बताया था.
I inform your father.
I had informed your father.
I had informed your father.
लेकिन
But
जब तक मैं जागा मेरे पिताजी जा चुके थे.
whenever I woken up, my father has gone.
By the time I woke up,
By
my
the
father
time
had gone.
By the time I woke up, my father has gone.
My father had
Gone.
gone. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now we can take now your competitor. Okay. The girls. Who is ready first? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What's your good name?
My name is Bandana.
Can you give him challenge?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं?
Do you speak English?
अगेन.
Do you speak English?
मैं इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ.
Yes, I speak English.
आकांक्षी इंग्लिश नहीं बोलती.
Akanshi does not speak English.
आकांक्षी को इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए.
Akanshi should speak English.
आकांक्षी इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती है.
Akanshi want to speak English.
आकांक्षी wants to speak English.
Akanshi wants to speak English.
Loudly.
Akanshi wants to speak English.
इसलिए
That's why.
आकांक्षी रोजाना क्लास अटेंड करती है.
Akanshi always attend the class.
आकांक्षी always attends the class.
Akanshi always attend the class.
आकांक्षी attends the class every day.
Akanshi attends the class every day.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं खुश हूँ.
I am happy.
मुझे मत देखिए.
Don't look at me.
Don't look at me.
Don't look at me.
दरवाजा खुला है.
Door is open.
The door is.
Open.
इसलिए
That's why
आप आ सकते हैं.
you can come.
लेकिन
But
दरवाजे पर कौन है?
who is on the door?
Who is at
the door?
Again.
Who is at the door?
मेरा भाई दरवाजे पर है.
My brother has at the door.
My brother is at the door.
My brother is at the door.
कैसे आना हुआ? What brings
to come here?
What brings you here?
What brings you here?
Again.
What's bring you here?
मैं चाहती हूँ.
I want.
मैं आपसे मिलना चाहती थी.
I want to meet.
I wanted to meet you.
I wanted to meet you.
लेकिन
But
जब मैं वहां पर आई आप जा चुके थे.
when I came here, you can go. You
When I
had gone.
reached there, you had gone.
Gone.
इसलिए
That's why.
loudly.
That's why.
गुस्सा मत कीजिए. Don't be.
Cross.
Don't be angry.
Don't be angry.
Again.
Don't be angry.
Angry.
Don't be angry.
Angry.
Don't be angry.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
क्या आप आ रहे हैं?
Are you coming?
मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत करो.
Don't disturb me.
मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ.
I am driving.
I'm driving a car.
I am driving a car.
क्यों चला रहे हो?
Why are you driving a car?
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
Why are you asking?
क्या आप कंफर्टेबल हो?
Are you feel comfortable?
क्या आप चाहते क्या हो?
What do you want?
मैं गाड़ी चाहता हूँ.
I want a car.
क्यों चाहते हो?
Why do you want a car?
Again.
Why do you want a car?
मुझे अपने भाई को ड्रॉप करना पड़ता है.
I have to drop my brother.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे गाड़ी चाहिए.
I want a car.
I want a car.
I want a car.
Loudly.
I want a car.
मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
What should I
Do. Again.
What should I do?
आपको मेहनत करनी चाहिए.
You should hard working.
You should work hard.
You should work hard.
Loudly.
You should work hard.
मैं मेहनत करता हूँ.
I do hard work.
I do.
Hard work.
Loudly.
I do hard work.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझे जाने दीजिए.
Let me go.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Where are you going?
मैं जॉब पर जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going to job.
To office. Yeah, I'm going to office.
I'm going to office.
Job means office. Okay, I'm going to office.
I'm going to office.
इसलिए
That's why.
मैं तैयार हो रहा हूँ.
I'm getting ready.
क्या आपने मेरा फोन देखा?
You
Have you seen my mobile phone?
Have you seen my mobile phone?
Again.
Have you seen my mobile phone?
Have you seen my mobile phone?
Have you seen my mobile phone?
मैं अभी आया हूँ just.
I'm coming just.
I just came here.
I just come here.
I just came here.
I just came here.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझसे मत पूछे.
Don't ask me.
आप मुझसे क्यों पूछते हैं?
Why do you ask me?
अगेन
Why do you ask me?
मम्मी से पूछो.
You ask my mom.
आस्क टू मॉम.
You ask my to mom.
अगेन
You ask to mom.
लेकिन
But
मैं नहीं बोलता.
I don't speak.
मुझे मजबूर मत कीजिए.
Don't
कंपेल मी.
don't compel me.
चिल्लाइए मत.
Don't shout.
क्यों चिल्लाते हैं?
Why do you shout?
मैं नहीं चिल्लाता.
I don't shout.
आई डोंट शाउट.
I don't shout.
मेरा भाई चिल्लाता है.
My brother shouts.
माई ब्रदर
Shouts.
शाउट्स. वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट. सो नेक्स्ट बॉय, कम हियर.
Sir, I don't do this.
Come here.
Wow.
Okay. So, what's your good name?
Sunny Gautam.
Shani Gautam, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
आपकी मजबूरी क्या है?
What's your compulsion?
चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
इंटेंशन क्या है?
What's your intention?
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Where are you going?
क्यों जा रहे हैं?
What are you going?
कौन आ रहा है?
Where is coming?
Who is coming?
Who is coming?
मेरे भाई आ रहा है.
My brother is coming.
क्यों आ रहा है?
My brother. Why are my brothers?
Why is your brother coming?
Why is your brother coming?
आप चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
आपका भाई क्या चाहता है?
Your brother.
What does your brother?
What does your brother want?
Again,
What does your brother want?
क्या आपको कोई गिला है?
So that is the meaning.
ग्रज. हैव यू एनी ग्रज?
Have you any grudge?
अगेन,
Have you any grudge?
मुझे कोई ग्रज नहीं है.
I don't have any grudge.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझे सोने दीजिए.
Let me sleep.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
Let me speak.
मुझे सोचने दीजिए.
Let me think.
लेकिन
That's why.
दरवाजा बंद रहने दीजिए.
The door is closed.
लेट द डोर बी क्लोज.
Let the door be closed.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ.
I'm not comfortable.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ.
I speak English.
आप इंग्लिश कैसे बोलते हैं?
Why do you speak English?
हाउ डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश?
How do you speak English?
आपने इंग्लिश बोलना कैसे सीखा?
Why do you speak English?
हाउ डिड यू लर्न
How did you learn speak English?
स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश? या हाउ डिड यू लर्न टू स्पीक इंग्लिश?
How did you learn to speak English?
अगेन,
How did you learn to speak English?
मैं इंग्लिश बोलना जानता हूँ.
I know speak English.
आई नो हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश.
I know how to speak English.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं कंफर्टेबल हूँ.
I'm comfortable.
मैं आपकी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ.
I help you.
आई
Help
कैन
me.
हेल्प यू.
I can help you.
लेकिन
But
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
I'm coming.
आपको इंतजार करना चाहिए. You should-
You should waiting.
यू शुड वेट.
You should wait.
लेकिन
But
मेरे पास समय नहीं है.
I don't have any time.
आई डोंट हैव टाइम.
I don't have time.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे आने दीजिए.
let me come.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
Let me speak.
हमें सेलिब्रेट करने दीजिए.
Let me celebrate it.
लेट अस
Celebrate.
सेलिब्रेट.
Let
बोलिए.
us- Let us celebrate.
लेकिन
But
मैं आपको इनवाइट करना चाहता था,
I wanted to invite you.
लेकिन
But
आप भूल गए.
you forgot.
इसलिए
That's why.
चिल्लाइए मत.
Don't shout.
एक्सक्यूज मत बनाइए.
Don't be excuses.
डोंट मेक एक्सक्यूजेस. बोलिए.
Don't make excuses.
आपको बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak.
आपको बोलना चाहिए था.
You should.
यू
speak.
शुड हैव
Speak.
स्पोकन.
Spoken.
अगेन,
You should have spoken.
लाउडली.
You should have spoken.
क्या मुझे बोलना चाहिए था? शुड आई हैव.
Should I have spoken?
अगेन,
Should I have spoken?
क्यों बोलना चाहिए था?
What should I have spoken?
वाई शुड आई हैव स्पोकन?
Why should I have spoken?
लेकिन
But
मैंने कल आपको इन्फॉर्म किया.
I informed you yesterday.
आई इन्फॉर्म्ड यू
Yesterday.
yesterday. बोलिए.
I informed you yesterday.
आप आए क्यों नहीं?
Why do you don't come?
Why didn't you come?
Why didn't you come?
Again,
Why didn't you come?
मैं बिजी था.
I am busy.
I was busy.
I was busy.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं नहीं आ सका.
I'm not coming.
I couldn't come.
I couldn't come.
No issue at all. Don't worry about that. So, lady, Akanshi,
Yes, sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Okay. आप कहाँ से आते हैं?
Where do you come from?
मैं शांति नगर से आती हूँ.
I come from Santinagar.
आप क्या करते हैं?
What do you
What do you?
do?
Again,
What do you do?
मैं जॉब करती हूँ.
I do job.
आप जॉब कहाँ करते हैं?
Where do you job?
Where do you do job?
Where do you do job?
मैं लक्ष्मी नगर जॉब करती हूँ.
I do job in Lakshmi Nagar.
आई डू जॉब एट लक्ष्मी नगर. लक्ष्मी नगर एक स्मॉल प्लेस है तो उससे पहले एट आता है. आई डू जॉब एट लक्ष्मी
लक्ष्मी
नगर. लेकिन
But
आपके पिताजी क्या करते हैं?
what does your father
डू. अगेन,
What does your father do?
मेरे पिताजी जॉब करते हैं.
My father do job.
माई फादर डज
Does
जॉब.
Okay.
अगेन
My father does job,
लेकिन
but
मैं बोलना चाहती थी।
I wanted to speak.
आप क्या बोलना चाहते थे?
What you wanted to speak?
What did you wanna speak?
Okay. What did you wanna speak?
अगेन
What did you wanna speak?
अगेन
What did you wanna speak?
मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती थी,
I wanted to speak English,
लेकिन
but
मैं मेहनत करती हूँ।
I work hard.
एक दिन
One day
मैं इंग्लिश बोलूंगी।
I will speak English.
अगेन
I will speak English.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे प्रैक्टिस करने
let
दीजिए।
me practice.
क्या आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं?
Did you practice?
Do you-
practice?
अगेन
Do you practice?
अगेन
Do you
मैं
practice?
रोजाना प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ।
I practice every day.
अगेन
I practice every day.
सुनकर अच्छा लगा।
It's good to hear.
इट साउंड्स गुड।
It sounds good.
अगेन
It sounds good.
लेकिन
But
मुझे बोलने दीजिए।
let me speak.
अगेन
Let me speak.
इन्हें बोलने दीजिए।
Let him speak.
लेट देम स्पीक।
Let them speak.
अगेन
Let them speak.
मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने दीजिए।
Let me explain.
लेकिन
But
मैंने आपके भाई को कल गाली नहीं दी।
I didn't abuse your brother yesterday.
अगेन
I didn't abuse your brother yesterday.
इसलिए
That's why
आप पूछ सकते हैं,
you can ask.
ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है।
It's not my cup of tea.
वो जा चुका है।
He had gone.
वो कैसे गया? हाउ डिड ही
How did he go?
हाउ डिड ही गो?
How did he go?
वो बाइक से गया। ही वेंट बाय
He went by bike.
अगेन
He went by bike.
लेकिन
But
मैं बस से आती हूँ।
I come by bus.
आई कम बाय बस।
बस।
क्यों आते हो बस से?
Why do you come by bus?
अगेन
Why do you come by bus?
लाउडली
Why do you come by bus?
लाउडली
Why do you come by bus?
लेकिन
But
मेरे पिताजी पैदल जाते हैं।
my father,
माई फादर गोज ऑन फुट।
okay, my father goes on foot.
इसलिए
That's why
वो हमेशा टाइम लगाते हैं।
he always take
Take
time.
ही ऑलवेज टेक्स टाइम।
He always takes time.
अगेन
He always takes time.
वो हमेशा लेट हो जाते
He
हैं।
always
गेट्स लेट
gets late.
अगेन
He always gets late.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे मजबूर मत कीजिए।
don't compel me.
हमें मजबूर मत कीजिए।
Don't compel us.
डोंट कंपेल अस।
Us.
लाउडली
Don't compel us.
हमें जाना पड़ता है। वी हैव टू
We have to go.
हमें बोलना पड़ता है।
We have to speak.
हमें लिखना पड़ता
We
है।
have to write.
लेकिन
But
मुझे जाना नहीं पड़ा। आई डिडंट हैव टू
I didn't have to go.
अगेन
I didn't have to go.
लेकिन
But
मैं हिंदी बोला करती थी।
I used to speak in Hindi.
नाउ आजकल
Uh,
नाउडेज
nowadays
मैं इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ।
I speak English.
मैंने अपनी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव की।
I improve my English.
लाउडली
I improve my English.
आई इम्प्रूव्ड माई।
I improved my English.
आपने इंग्लिश कैसे इम्प्रूव की?
How do you improve your
हाउ
English?
डिड यू इम्प्रूव?
How did you improve your English?
लाउडली
How did you improve your English?
आप चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
क्या मुझे बोलना चाहिए?
Should I speak?
क्या मुझे लिखना चाहिए?
Should I write?
क्या मुझे आना चाहिए?
Should I come?
क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए?
Should I go?
आपको पढ़ाना चाहिए।
You should teach.
ये लेकिन ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है।
But it's not my cup of tea.
लाउडली
But it's not my cup of tea.
बट इट इज नॉट माई।
My cup of tea.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे बैठने दीजिए।
let me sit.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए।
Let me speak.
थैंक यू सो मच।